Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another single product review. This one is holiday themed. It's one of the little NYX lip kits, ornament lip kits from Target. This was $8.99, but I think I got it on sale. Or actually my mom got it for me. Not about to lie. Yeah, we have a slim lip pencil and a cream butter gloss. These are both like nudie shades, which I love. This is giving me very much Kylie lip kit, but more affordable and just as good a quality. Okay, so the lip pencil is in the shade Natural. The butter gloss is in the shade Creme Brulee. I guess we'll play a little game of gift or gag. So this is kind of cool because I'm looking at the lip pencil and the pencil shade appears to be slightly darker than the butter gloss. They are different shades. They're not matching, but I love that because that makes a nice lip contour. We're gonna get into it. Stay tuned. Alright guys, this has been a very tedious opening process for the lip pencil, but here it is. It looks like everything I love in a nude, not too pale of a nude, not too dark. So my last video was the Jason Wu cream eyeshadow, which turned out absolutely lovely. It's at Target. If you want to see that video, I'll link it below. Okay, it's been pretty creamy. I'm liking it. Shade is amazing. It's like everything I love for a nude. I already said that. Gorgeous. Everything's going good. Okay, so this is a butter gloss. So if I wanted an all matte lip look, I love that shade. Like I would fill my lips all the way in. But today we're trying the full kit, so we're gonna go ahead and do the gloss. Time to see how this duo looks together. So the gloss is a little bit transparent. Amazing, I love it. It just kind of dawned on me that you don't have to use them together, that you could use them totally separate. I love it. This is an ideal lip look for me. Nude, liner, gloss, very full, very juicy. Just loving it. Worth $8.99 and a super cute little Christmas trinket, Christmas gift, stocking stuffer, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I am very, very happy with the result. Let me know what you guys think, and shout out to NYX. They always are killing it. And yeah, that's it for today's review. I will see you guys next time. Bye.